Hello everyone, back again with another video. Today we're going to talk about something that is essential for continuance of life on Earth, and that is photosynthesis and cellular respiration. So what are photosynthesis and what is cellular respiration? Photosynthesis is the method in which plants gain their energy. Cellular respiration is in the way that the animals and humans gain their energy, and they interact with one another in a cycle. So our bodies are made up of cells, which are individual specialized microorganisms that work together and allow us to function as one whole person. We're going to talk later on about what microorganisms are and a little bit about some different types of them and what they do. But for now, you just have to know that our bodies are made up of cells, and these cells require energy in order to stay alive and function, similar to how a phone needs a battery or a car needs gas. The energy that most of these cells use to function and to stay alive is called ATP, or adenosine triphosphate. We don't necessarily need to know that, we just need to know that they need energy. So how do we get that energy? So, well, photosynthesis and cellular respiration is our process in getting that energy. Photosynthesis is in plants, cellular respiration is in animals and other organisms, living organisms that aren't plants. Photosynthesis can also occur in algae and photosynthetic bacteria, and cellular respiration, like we said, most other living organisms. So, let's talk about photosynthesis. Photosynthesis allows plants to capture sunlight, and using that sunlight, they are able to use carbon dioxide and water and turn it into glucose. So glucose, or sugar, similar things, the plants are able to use that sugar to create ATP, as well as, if animals eat the plants, they can turn that glucose also into ATP. So the glucose is the energy, the sugar that we need. Plants are able to use the sun's rays to convert carbon dioxide, or CO2, and water and turn it into energy. What happens when they do that? They give off oxygen, which is really helpful. Animals require oxygen and glucose in order to make energy. And when we break down glucose, when our bodies are using it, just like we would break down food in our stomach, we give off carbon dioxide and water. So in a beautiful cycle, the plants give off the oxygen and the glucose that we eat and we need, and we give off the carbon dioxide and the water, allowing the plants to make energy and function.